Hey you guys, hi, welcome, good day, good morning, it's Natasha. I thought it would be a good idea to do a unboxing video. I had ordered a couple of fragrances from Nature's Garden, and I thought it would be a good idea to show you guys what I got and what the products smell like. Nature's Garden is a great supplier of different items that you need for different skin products, but you should check them out if you're looking for fragrances or things of that nature. But I got some stuff because I had some ideas that popped in my head, and I'm like, you know what, this fragrance will match what I'm trying to achieve and the new soap collection I'm creating. So here it is. I just wanted to show you guys what I got. So I got me some goodies and I'm excited. So let's see here. So the first one that I'm pulling up, this one is called, I can't even see it. Which one was this one? This one was called, I can't even see it. Oh, Mountain Dew. This is like Mountain Dew, right? So those of you that may not know what Mountain Dew is a drink, and when I smelled it, it smelled like flat Mountain Dew. Like you know how when you leave the soda out and it just smells all sugary and stuff. That's what it smelled like. It just smelled like flat Mountain Dew. This next one is called Great Soda Pop. This one smelled nice too. It actually smelled like a grape candy, like a grape now or later, or just a grape blow pop. That's what it smelled like. It smelled nice, so I wasn't mad at it. I just want to test it out and see what it does in the soap. I did have an grape idea that I wanted to do. That's why I got grape soda. This next one is called vanilla lavender, and this one smelled nice too, but it was a bit light. It smelled like lavender potpourri, so it was a very light, warm scent. I'm a little concerned about this one because it seemed like it might be too light to put in soap. It probably is a good scent to put in like a sugar scrub or maybe a lotion or something like that. I'm not sure about soap. It's a bit light for me. This next one is called Sweet Pea. Oh my goodness. So Sweet Pea smells exactly like the Sweet Pea that Bath and Body Works sells. Very sweet fragrance, beautiful summer fragrance. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use this for. I probably definitely will use it in a sugar scrub, and I probably will definitely use it in a body butter. I'll try the soap, but I'm afraid it's going to be a little light, and I don't want, I want to stick within the IFRA guidelines. And this last one is called Green Irish. This one smelled nice. This one smelled very similar to Irish Spring soap. If you like that scent, very, very similar. I mean, slight tinge, like a pinch difference, but not that much. And I got good reviews about this one. I've heard a lot of soapers use it, so I'm a little excited about that one. Like, I really wanted to just drop a quick video and show you some scents that I got. I'm really excited to try them out. What do you think? You think I should try them all of them in soaps? Do you think I should just try some in body butters? Or maybe just try certain ones in sugar scrubs? Like, what you guys think? So I am going to go ahead and try these out. Look for upcoming videos of me trying these scents out in different products. I will definitely try to reach out to you guys and let you know when I have an upcoming video and what scent it might include. But in general, I love the purchase. Sometimes there's always one that I'm like, why did I buy that one? So I've actually am happy with all of the purchases I made. So thank you guys for stopping by and watching me unbox my products from Nature's Garden, and check them out. If you want to check out some fragrances or things that you think you might need for your products, check them out and see if it works out for you. Thanks again. Protect your energy, and I hope to see you in some of my other videos. Thanks for stopping by, you guys.